Hellcat.
Alrighty guys, back with another video, man. Thanks for tuning in to my channel again. Basically, we still working on this 05 Sebring. Same day, different video. I had to do it to y'all, man. About to go ahead and take this tire off, take it to the tire shop. I already pumped up the front tire, because in the last video I seen that both of the passenger tires is flat. But this video we're gonna be just basically showing the process of putting it back together. So right now I'm about to get the tire fixed, and then I'm gonna jump on the online, try to find those two doors. Like I said, I already found them, but you know, parts still fast, so I'm gonna see if the place still got them. If they still got them, I'll probably pick them up later on today or early tomorrow morning, and then get started busting it down and putting it back together. But yeah, like I said, right now I'm about to jack it up, take the tire off. I'm gonna show y'all the tools I'm using real quick. So these are my tools that I'm using. I got a 3-ton jack. I love the jack. Had the jack about 3 years now. Then I got a little Harbor Freight jack stand. And then I got I think this is my 24-inch breaker bar. Yeah, I think this is my 24-inch breaker bar. Then I got a 1/2-inch socket right there. Then I had to go buy this from AutoZone because they didn't have the key to these wheels. These wheel locks are Gorillas, and they didn't have the key in the car to the wheel lock, so I had to go buy that. But now you can see more where the tire is split at. That's crazy. I think that was like that. Oh, and I also fixed the window too. Well, I just propped it up, took the tape off, propped it up, made it look better, and I pumped the tire up. So yeah, man, it's coming together. I'm about to put this tire on it so it can look better, you know, while it's sitting here, so it won't look like a junk car. But I love that jack, man. That jack been through a lot, still holding up, ain't gave me no problems. So yeah, go get this tire taken off. Well, I'm about to take this tire off. I'll get back with y'all in a second. All right, guys, just like that, we got the wheel tire off. Got it loaded up in the truck. Had to go ahead and head to the tire shop. See y'all when we get to the tire shop. All right, y'all, made it to the tire shop. About to go ahead and get this tire put on this Sebring rim, and get back to the house. Put it on. I'll show you how to get on. This is a used tire, 35 bucks. Something cheap, man, just to get the vehicle back running. Show y'all the tire when it come out. Yep. Ain't got no leaks. Alright guys, next day, back out here with the 05 Sebring. We're about to go ahead and check the fluids in it, and we're going to take it for the first test drive and also take it to get a wash, man, because this thing is dirty. So I'm about to check the fluids real quick. If the fluids are all straight, we're going to take it for a test drive and see how it dries. I'll come back to y'all when we get ready to take it for the test drive. All right, guys, we're about to go ahead and see what goes on. Sight unseen. All right, we're on the main road. Let's see what it do. All right, shift it. All right, shift it again. All right, trans seem good. I can tell you we got a little ball joint action going on. And these things are notorious for that. They ball joints are crappy. And I do hear like a little, maybe like a little squeaking coming from 3 of the struts when you going over a bump. Not driving too bad. Could use a wheel alignment. Like I said, it's probably because of those ball joints. Yeah, it could use a wheel alignment. Like I said, it's probably because of those ball joints. But it doesn't drive too bad, you know, for what we paid for it. You know, you get what you pay for, basically. We on our way to the car wash, basically just to go ahead and wash it on up, man. Wash it on up. So I'll see you guys when we get to the car wash, man. Alrighty, guys, we did make it here to the car wash. I got the hood popped because I am going to be washing off the motor today. So what I'm about to do right now is scratch the letters off with the writing off of everywhere. I'm gonna take the writing off of that window as well, even though I don't have to, but I am because I want to get the car clean before I start, you know, disassembling it. But that'll be in another video. I'll show you guys me taking the doors off and replacing both doors. But as of right now, we about to go in and wash it. Yeah, go ahead and wash it. My first impression of driving it, it wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't the worst. Like I said, it could use a little front end ball joint work. Motor and trans seem straight. Seem like they, you know, perform like they should. Other than that, can't complain. $275 before, you know, the fees. Can't complain. But let's get to it, guys. Go ahead and wash it up. Alright, guys, this is how it's looking after washing it. Doesn't look pretty bad, but doesn't look too bad. Cleaned up pretty well. If them two doors wasn't hit, this would be a decent looking car, man. I don't complain too much about it. I sprayed the rims off. I sprayed some armor on the rims. Yeah. Still gotta vacuum clean it. Sorry about that. But this is everything I use right here. I'll get more in depth into that. It's my air compressor. The next, but go ahead and vacuum it out. Go ahead and vacuum clean it out. Take it back to the house. See you guys when I get there. Alright, guys, and we're off just like that. About to go ahead and let you guys see another test drive, man. Still no check engine light on. You know, that would be one of the main things I would be concerned about. Is a check engine light. But for the most part, it's actually running better since I've been having to run it for the last hour or so. Yep. It's been running smoother, I'ma say. We on the road, guys. On the road. Nice, I can't complain. 150. It's running good. Not shaking like I thought it would. Thought it would be shaking at these speeds. Yeah, guys, so it's definitely running smoother than I thought it would. But hey, man, it's definitely running smoother than I thought it would. Like I said, I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. It did smoothen out. Like far as it running, it smoothed out. It's not running as hard as it was. It had like a rough idle at first, but now it's definitely running with a better idle. So I'm pretty, you know, stoked about that. 'Cause, you know, that's one less problem I will have to worry about, you know, when that time comes. So yeah, guys, man, I'm pretty satisfied with it. AC is blowing cold, so that's a plus. Like I said, you know, if you guys AC isn't blowing too cold, you do want to get that checked out, because it's definitely hot out here. I did come out here early in the AM, so it wouldn't be too hot on me. I did have this car running for the whole time from me starting it up this morning, driving to the car wash, at the car wash, washing the car, vacuum cleaning it out, and we just leaving the car wash. It's still running. It's still basically under half. You know, it haven't even reached half for real. No check engine light, like I said. I got my scanner. We can see together if we have any codes, so we can find out that together real fast. So I got my scanner with me. Like I said, I keep all my stuff, man. I pretty much bring like a bag with me to keep all my stuff in it. Like I said, basically this is the things you guys are going to want to, you know, get and have with you and whatnot. So let's get the scanner pulled up. Let's get the scanner pulled up so we can see what it is. All right, here's my scanner. Just waiting on it to load up so we can see what systems are ready. I haven't checked it. Usually if I drive them from the auction, I go ahead and just check them on my way from the auction. That way I can take it right to emissions. But as you see, this one will pass emission, and we do have a cylinder 3 misfire, so that's good to know. I seen 2 coil packs, well, 2 wires in the trunk, so they must have resolved one of the issues. I don't want to reset this code because I need to take it to emissions, so I'm not going to reset this code, because if I reset it, I have to take it for another drive cycle, and that could explain my rough idle. That could explain my rough idle. So yeah, I might go ahead and change off 4 spark plugs. You never know. But just one misfire, that's cool. I'm happy with it. But if those was red, I wouldn't be able to pass emissions. One is okay, but more than one, it won't pass emissions. But as you see, all of them are green. So we good to go, boys and girls. We can take this to emissions. I might do it one of these days, or I might just wait till after I fix the doors to take it to emissions, and then take it to get my inspection. So I schedule my inspection for the same day I want to take it to emissions. That way I can go ahead and get my title from salvage to rebuild all in the same day, and you know, we can go ahead and try to sell it from there. So guys, I am going to end the video right here. Basically, the car is pretty much running. It's running decent enough. You know, I'm satisfied with it so far, as long as that misfire don't get any worse. Like I said, we're going to take it to emissions, get the emissions done. But all that be in the next video. As far as me putting these doors on, removing the putting the doors on, taking it to get emissions, I'll make sure I put all that in one video. So that might be a longer video. So but right now we just got done washing it. I did wipe the interior down, so it did come out pretty good. It actually cleaned up better than I thought it would. Let me show you guys. It definitely cleaned up better than I thought it would. As you see, I did put a little shine on it. Move my scanner out the way. I did put a little shine on it. Dusted the mats off. I vacuum cleaned it out some. So yeah, it did clean up better than, you know, I thought it would, because it was dirty as heck in here. So it definitely cleaned up good. So basically can't complain. AC is working excellent, baby. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. We're only going to keep getting better. Like I keep saying, my video is going to keep getting better. I'm going to keep adding more and more content into each video. Get closer and closer to you guys, basically. I want you guys' opinion on what you want to see as far as these cars. I am going to start doing Copart walk-arounds, Manheim walk-arounds, probably a Dessa as well. So I'm just going to bring you guys more helpful content as well. If you do want to know how to get your dealer's license or your wholesale license, please leave it in the comments below, and I will, you know, help you guys out as far as the information on that. It's a nerve-wracking process in certain states. Some is easier than most, you know. But yeah, just drop everything in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it because it's going to only help the video and help me bring you guys more content, better content. And we're going to turn up, man, because it's only good, you know, that you turn up in life, because you only get one life to live. So you better live that to the most, man. So live every day like it's your last, man. Hey, I'm out of here. See y'all in the next video. Thanks, you guys, for tuning in.